this is Carmel's Crazy Cricket Lady, and we're going to repair this shirt. As you can see, it has a couple little spots where there's extra vinyl. We're going to remove those. And then it has, the D is deformed, so we're going to take the D off and replace it with another D. So stay tuned and I will start working on this shirt. I showed you this shirt. I'm going to heat up the section with my little bitty iron. It's a wonderful iron that I use for pressing seams when I'm sewing. And then with the corner of my fingernail, I'm just going to pick off the pieces that I don't want. And they come right off. Simple as that. Now the D over here, which I only got half of, for some reason it came off, we're going to heat up. And I'm going to try to pick it off, but I'm not sure if that much will come off. But we're going to heat this little area right here. And then we're going to try to pick off this D. Yep, it comes off. And you may have to do this a couple of times to get the whole thing off. Yeah, I'm going to have to reheat it. Always make sure when you're heating it, you put that Teflon sheet over top of it. Okay, now I've cut out a replacement D for it. I've got right there. Now I'm going to cover the rest of it because you want to protect all of it. But we're going to press this D now. And it's vinyl, so you can move the iron around a little bit. But this is the only spot I'm working on, so I'm just going to hold it here and use this little bitty iron. And we wait about 30 seconds. I'll be back. And here is the final repaired shirt. I already gave this as a gift to somebody and made a new one, but I decided to try fixing it. So here is the repaired look. I used a different colored D so that you could see the difference. This has been Carmel, the Crazy Cricket Lady. This is how you repair a damaged or mistakes on your HTV. You can download this image at my website. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to use your heat press through these series of videos. Thank you.